में पूजा की थाली, आई रात सुहागो वाली। चांद को देखूं हाथ में जोड़ूं, करवा चौथ का व्रत में तोड़ूं। मेरे हाथ से पीकर पानी, दासी से बन जाऊं रानी। आज की रात जो मांगे कोई वो पा जाए रे। This is the light sketch of our Karwa chauth drawing. Let us draw the moon now. And the moon is ready. Let us darken the lines with black ball pen. It will be easy for us for coloring. I have darkened all the lines with ball pen. Now let us start coloring. On Karwa Chauth, women are wearing beautiful clothes with beautiful jewelry. So here we are coloring with special pink. Now we are coloring the ghagra. Let us do the shading of the pleats or folds with red color. We can use the merging technique for showing the folds effectively. Chanya choli of small girl in multicolors. Orange color. Poster red color. Dark green color. Lemon yellow color. We are repeating same color in her choli also, upper portion of the dress. Father's kurta we are coloring with cerulean blue. We can do the folds and the shading in this cerulean blue with ultramarine blue. Use merging technique again. Chrome yellow color in the kurta of boy. Shading with orange color and the folds. His jacket with violet color. Yellow and violet are contrast colors. It looks very nice. Border of the ghagra with ultramarine blue color. Let us do shading in his salwar with lavender color. His salwar with off-white color. Yellow plus white is off-white. Lawn with light green color. And olive green color. The bushes with stumping technique and this arc also. Stippling with dark green plus black color. In the darkness, water also looks dark. So we are applying the Persian blue color in the water and then we will be doing the shading. Persian blue plus white, let us give some strokes to give the effect of water. Pink color in the lotus. Some strokes with light pink. Olive green color in the stems and leaves of lotus. Some strokes with light green. Black color we are applying in the sky to show the night. Let us color the moon with finger and pearl color. Moon also with pearl color and a reflection in the stainer chalni also in pearl color. Some stippling with pearl color in the sky to show the star effect. We are applying olive green color on the ground. Some shading of light green color we are going to give here some strokes. Flesh tint color we are applying in the skin. We are coloring the face of the man. Shading with brown color to give the dimension of the face. Let us apply black color in the hair of all human figures. In his hair. Now the facial features and details. Flower garland, gajra. Chundri with golden color. On the dress we will be giving the transparent effect for the chundri like this. Ornaments. Bangles. पूजा की थाली. Red color authentic bangles. Golden plus red color jar to give the copper effect. Design on the dress. Like mango shape, query design. Different design on girls chanya choli. Design on boys jacket. Another design on the jacket. Now our coloring is over of Karwa Chauth drawing. Let it get dry now. Ladies are celebrating Karwa Chauth for the long life and prosperity of her husband as well as her family. If you like my Karwa Chauth drawing video, please subscribe my channel, press bell icon and share my video in all your groups. Thank you very much for watching my video.